This event is for Front Street Circus having their very own space. There's food and games for the kids, and we had a little performance from Fabian.
The circus has a very positive impact in kids' lives because they're learning new things, they're meeting new people, they are able to learn social skills through the circus arts, and that also translates into their academic lives.
The circus is, it's not just important, it should be mandatory for everybody. To let loose, to have fun, and to enjoy yourself and express yourself is one of the most important things in life, and the circus shares that with everybody.